Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. Lord, Umkhokha The Curse. Can we start Umkhokha Siqale ngoMaMzobe? MaMzobe feel alienated, feel this like just put eqeleni because she's not allowed to come near the sun. We all know for what reasons, but uPhakathayo is soft right now. uPhakathayo believes ukuthi uMvelase can change uMaMzobe and MaMzobe can change, and therefore he allows uMaMzobe to come next to the child. He even said, I will go laphayana kaMthembu and ensure that you come close to the child because you are the grandmother. Yo, Kerawaluna. Phakathayo haleni ne. Zodwa guys, she's in a quest of finding out the truth. Kimakhosi left, right and center. Vumani bo left, right and center. Kuri wavumiswa uthelwa kametsi washwa irangurang mara isikhwama sona. Nowhere to be found. Githi uyagezwa kuyabhula yezini ziyashaya ayashaya amathambo. Vumani bo kuribona asiyavuma vumani bo siyavuma awuvumehi wait why marapa abulele lithi ngoma dibona marapa ko kai ababona ukuthi isikhwama sikuphi which girl Zobelicious. Like Uzodwa goes to the consultation room endumbeni, right? That's where she is told ukuthi, you know what, na indwango, you have to wait on your head. If it's not in your head, it should be under your pillow. Like this, like I said, this indwango, this cloth must be close to you every time, and then you must wash yourself in the water. You must put this thing, make sure that you wash with it, and say everything that you want your ancestors to give you. I tell you, if you do that, bazovele baziveze noba bakuzosho. Let's hope ukuthi le bakuzosho ukuthi isikhwama sikuphi ngoba angeke phela siround endabeni yosikhwama. Uzodwa ke makabhizi le ayabhizi namakhosi amakhulu makhosi amahle uPhakathayo naye ulaphayana entabeni ngomjudiya ukhuleka uzazibuzele ke akhuleke lo mkhuleko osukhuleka ukuthi umuphi umkhuleko omele nguwusho ukuthi izinto zabe ukuthi like which prayer must I say literally for my things to be alright, because I've been praying and there's nothing that's been happening, and like I could so much relate to Phakathayo's prayer or like ngiyenzeni ngivule muphi umnyango ukuthi kuvuleke because wow. Ezini ke plot twist, a second wife is needed for uZamcolo. The reason is uZamcolo for 3 months amelanga bonane noMaBusi via Tlof. So because they are not supposed to see each other in that form, it becomes difficult. So they're saying ukuthi uZamcolo needs to get a second wife so that he does not get tempted in any way, shape or form. I'm like, utemtwa yini, like guys, like why would they do that? But akadlali nje uNdlovu, he believes ukuthi his daughter by fire by force will be uMrs Mkhululi number 2. And worst part, uManzimande believes that it is a good idea. I wonder how is she going to break it down to uMaBusi and explain why is it a good idea? How is it a good idea? And I'm also asking myself, when Nomkhosi was pregnant with Untuthuko, did they do the same things, or did Khulekani say no because he's a Christian and he does not necessarily follow culture and its things? Tricky. Phela uManzimande ke kube umuntu interview abo girls. Hayi muhle vele usibahle vele muhle umntana kaNdlovu vele ayiba interview man ba interview aqhazwe laba bamqhazayo ugirl ubone ukuthi la waphela umshado kaMaBusi waphela finish. Aze ke umama kaSibahle azozama ukwenzani ukumarinate uManzimande. Amarinatelani ukuthi umntwana wakhe kube uyokhethwa umkhululi. Nomkhosi no Khulekani bayihlebe le ndaba because bayabona ukuthi it's getting out of hand, and while they're gossiping about it ukhumbula ukuthi umkhululi does not know, like uSiphamandla is not aware ukuthi uzoba ne second wife into yabo nje manje. Hayi ke bafakele uMaBusi no Siphamandla meeting guys, depression. I'm like, this is the reason why vele uMaBusi azothathwa umkhokha, like really depression is being added. Okay fine, baba batshele ukuthi nangu unkosikazi uyeza so umkhandlo sidecidile esizonilethela yena. Hayi vele bamlethe ugele bamfake basho nokuthi uManzimande uvumile seqhaza umkhandlo ke manje angene ugele agobe lapha mkwakaMkhululi. Hayi umkhululi athi sukuma. I did not understand his reaction ukuthi is he interested, is he not interested, like I'm in the dark right now, but uMaBusi is not coping. I see her falling from the balcony. I don't know why. Like Ntugiwe, I'm not okay. My heart is racing fast. I wonder what is going to happen tomorrow. But when I come here, this is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.